In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Copilot in Word to turn text into a table. If you've ever had a block of text that's hard to scan, like a list of items, people with roles, or values separated by commas, Copilot can instantly organize it into a clean, readable table without manual formatting. First, highlight the text you want to convert. Be as precise as you can. If your text includes a header line, make sure to include that in your selection so Copilot can treat it as column titles. Consistent patterns help a lot, things like commas, tabs, or dashes between pieces of information. If there are extra blank lines or stray characters, it's worth cleaning those up before you proceed, so Copilot can recognize the structure more accurately. With your text selected, click the Copilot icon in Word. If it's more convenient, you can also right-click the selection to open a context menu. From there, choose Visualize as a table. Copilot will read your selection, detect repeated patterns, and lay everything out as rows and columns. When headers are obvious, it uses them. When they aren't, it will propose sensible column names so the table still makes sense. The result is a structured table that's easier to read, filter, and share. If the first pass isn't quite right, don't worry. You can regenerate the table to let Copilot try a different interpretation or fine-tune it with a quick prompt. For example, you could say add a column for category and leave it blank, or split the name into first name and last name, or rename column 1 to item and column 2 to price. You can also ask it to combine two columns into one, or to align numbers and dates more clearly. The more specific your prompt, the more precisely Copilot will shape the table around your needs. When your source text uses consistent separators, like commas between values or a dash between fields, mention that in your prompt if Copilot misses it. A simple note such as treat the hyphen as a separator between role and department can lock in the structure you want. And if you included a header row in your selection, you can clarify, use the first row as headers. That's all there is to it. Highlight the text, open Copilot or right-click, select Visualize as a table, and then refine with short, natural prompts. In a few clicks, messy text becomes a clear, professional table ready for your document.